first EP, my debut EP. And today we recorded the drums, all the tracks on the yes, on two. All the tracks worked. The drummer played every track today, which is really nice because we sort of said that as a well, if this is going to happen today, then it's going to be an awesome journey recording the EP. And if it wouldn't work, then probably we would have. Yeah. Well, I'm going to stop talking now. This is In My Arms again, also on my debut. Thank you.
Say love will last a lifetime. Once you fell in a real state, time will come you won't remember. It might only be a tale. You say your love has got its ending. It was gone the other day. I say I love you more than ever, but it's killing me inside. We're not the same as I remember.